Milling a big ash log. About 36 on the small end, 44 on the big end. See how it turns out. Okay, first slab is off. Had some rocking going on, so I just shoved some kind of wedges in there. Sometimes it's hard to hold on these logs on my clamps down there, and it starts to shake. Here's the first. There's the first slab. I'm on my third slab. This log sat a year. It's harder than hell. I gotta cut really slow. I get a chatter. It's not doing it now, but it's really severe at the beginning of the cut. So I'm more or less cutting into the end grain. They typically do that, but I got a sharp chain on there and it's still doing it. Usually it doesn't do it till the chain gets a little dull. I thought I hit metal actually, because it was making so much racket and vibrating. The chain was coming off the bar. So it's cutting smooth now. Let's see how it goes. I'm on this will be the 6th slab off this ash log. It's really hard, really dry. I had an older chain that was kind of messed up and it was chattering really bad, coming off the bar. Now I put a new chain on and now it's cutting pretty smooth. This is the last cut on the slabber. Got a little bit on the bottom, I can put it on the wood miser. Get one slab. It's narrow enough, the wood miser will cut it. I ended up putting a new chain on. The old chain had come off and got kind of the drive teeth that go in the bar. A bunch of them got kind of marred. I had to grind a bunch of them. So that set up some kind of a weird oscillation that was making the whole chain and the whole machine just shake. So these are what I've cut so far. These are the slabs. I'll end up with 8 slabs off this log.